Hi there, I'm Chris with Clutter Reduction Junk Removal in Southeast Florida. We are at a storage unit right now to clear out the remaining items inside. But before we do that, we're going to talk about the general equipment I think everybody should have in their junk removal trucks at all times to help get your jobs done not only safely, but efficiently. We've been doing junk removal now for about 5 years, and before that I was a professional mover for a few years, and I've really learned the ins and the outs of the equipment to have to not only make the job safe and not cause damage around you, which is very important in junk removal, that's often overlooked, but also to make things efficient, because unlike moving, you're not paid by time. You're paid by the volume of how much room something takes up in a truck. Therefore, it should be in your best interest to get these jobs done as fast as possible, and doing so in an efficient manner. So I'm going to talk about the types of dollies I keep, some of the accessory items, some of the small tools I have, the power tools I have, and a few extra items that we use that really help us just tackle jobs done, whether it's me by myself, which I've done for many years, or it's me with my wife, or it's me with my 1099 helper. All these factors, we use the same equipment to make sure we can get jobs done fast. And we're going to showcase all of those, and I'll try to talk about where you can get the majority of this equipment from if you can't readily find it near you. So stay tuned.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be